Everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and I'm coming to you with a quick video just explaining the automation of email processing 3.0 in our advanced level. So I'm going to go ahead and start at marketing automation. Marketing automation refers to our software platforms and technologies designed for marketing departments and organizations to more effectively market on multiple channels online and automate repetitive tasks. With our marketing automation software, you will be able to automate converting leads to your company on a daily basis. So what the software is actually going to be doing is it's going to be able to automate the company. Any company, not only email processing 3.0, but any company you're deciding to promote in the future, the software is going to do all that back-breaking work for you. Why automation works? Automation works because you are able to finally drive leads without putting in the hard back-breaking time that you could be doing other things with. You will be able to get traffic that converts and guarantees you daily sales no matter if you are a pro or a newbie. You will no longer be the 50% that quits because you cannot drive traffic, as our software will now do this for you. So our software is going to be driving leads for your business to any company that you're deciding to promote, whether it's email processing 3.0 or any other company in the future. We're going to be able to automate that for you with the software. The software drives crazy converting traffic. It drives the same type of traffic that Google, Yahoo, Bing, and all those top companies charge you $5 to $10 a click for. That good old pay-per-click traffic that works wonderfully but just costs too much. Our software is going to be throwing out that same type of traffic to your company, which is going to bring you crazy amounts of sales. Automated closed sales. The other 50% of newbies fail because they cannot explain a new company. They just join and lose clients, which is never a good thing, guys. You never want to lose clients because every client is a potential customer. So they will give up. Well, not anymore. We now close all sales for you. That way, while you are learning to be a pro, you will see sales no matter what. So guys, while we're teaching you to be a better marketer, right? We're teaching you to learn how to market. While we're teaching you to be able to talk to people, be able to close sales, be able to be successful with your company you're going to be promoting in the future, you're going to be seeing potential customers, potential sales no matter what. With our automation software, we can actually guarantee anywhere from $500 to $600 a day, no matter what, guaranteed with our advanced level. This software is super powerful. This software will drive traffic and change your life in the marketing industry, as it has done for thousands of others that has worked with me. Then the reason, guys, and you might be thinking, well, why do you have time to close sales? Well, we do earn 25% of the commissions earned from those closed sales. So we're making money as a team, guys. We're all becoming more successful as we help each other become successful. That's what this game is all about. That's what this industry is all about. Getting the right people that want to be just as successful as you, and putting them on the right track to be able to see commissions, to be able to share your future teachings to other students. Now, guys, I know you're watching this video and you're probably wondering, well, how does this guy know this? How does this guy do what he's doing? Well, guys, I've been doing this too many years, over 10 years now, and I've helped many people, and I want to do the same thing with you. So I'm looking for you guys to call me today, as we're having a discounted price on the advanced level. It's $200 today. It's a $50 off. The pro level is $100 today, and it's $50 off as well. It's usually $150. So the way you're going to be actually able to grab this discount is when you text me or call me at 239-362-6591. I want you to go ahead and mention the YouTube discount. Just tell me, hey, I want the YouTube discount, and we're going to be giving you $50 off today. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you're sitting there right now confused, dazed, don't know what's going on, and yet maybe you're in the wrong place. If you're sitting there right now hyped and wanting to move forward, and you're freaking out about the automation and how things are actually changing now in the marketing industry, then you're the person I'm looking for, because I'm looking for people that are willing to move forward in their life, who are willing to put everything behind them and start a new chapter in their life. With God's power, guys, I'm able to be where I'm at today, with God blessing me and showing me where to go, and grabbing the wheel and basically and grabbing the wheel and basically pulling me where I need to go, driving me forward in my success. I'm now able to teach others what I've learned and help them reach 6 to 7 figures within a year or so. Guys, like I said, if you're sitting here and you're saying this is crap, then this is probably not for you. Then marketing is probably not for you. Because any entrepreneur is going to grab something that's going to automate their future, that's going to automate the work for them, that's going to make sure they're successful, that's guaranteeing them income on a 24-hour basis no matter what. Guys, I'm going to be waiting for you to contact me at 239-362-6591. Come on my website at live chat at godslifequotes.com. The link is also in the description. Once again, that's Gods, G-O-D-S, Life, L-I-F-E, quotes, Q-U-O-T-E-S.com. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Continue watching to actually see my proof video from this week of me earning $900 in just 12 hours with the automation software. Everyone out there, God bless. Continue watching, and I will talk to you soon. Out there, this is the Prodigy, and I hope everyone's having a very blessed Friday as myself. I hope the Lord has been able to touch you this week and bring some type of light to your life. But before we go on, I just want to kind of show you today's time and date. It's Friday, May 4th, 2018. And as you can see, guys, it's very early. It's 11:31 in the morning. And as you can see, just overnight, guys, and I've only been up a couple hours, and just overnight, this is what I've made. We're going to go ahead and count the payments. So that's 2, 4, and that's another 5. That's $900. Selling the advanced package, 2 at a discounted price of $50 off, and course of 2 at the full price of $250. Now, guys, that's $900 why I slept. That's not even why I'm up during the day. No telling how much more I'm going to be making today. Now, guys, you seeing this payment proof should just give you the confidence to know that we can actually guarantee results like this to you guys out there. No matter if you're a newbie, no matter if you're a professional. I'm going to log out my account just to show you guys I am not playing games. I am dead serious when it comes to marketing, and my payment proofs are dead on and dead accurate and dead 100% truthful. Now, guys, there's a lot of you out there who are struggling. There's a lot of you out there who, can't pay your bills, can't afford life, unhappy, stressing, just because you're not financially stable. You're wondering how your kids are going to eat their next meal. You're wondering how you're going to pay your next bill. You're wondering where you're going to be at in 10 years, if it's going to be worse or if it's going to be better. And guys, I can guarantee results, and I can guarantee happiness with financial freedom if you follow my lead. I've been marketing now over 10 years, and I've helped thousands of people succeed. I've helped make 6 and 7 figure earners, and I can definitely do the same with you if you follow my lead. All I'm asking from you guys that are going to be contacted today is to follow my lead. I need you guys by my side. I need you guys to trust me, and I need you guys to know that I'm here to help. I'm not here to hurt you guys. I'm here to make sure you see results and to make sure that you're succeeding. I'm here to make sure you become a professional. I'm here to make sure that you see results no matter what. Now, a lot of you out there don't know my story. I've actually been marketing over 10 years. Started marketing in my teenage years, about 11, 12 years old. Well, before teenage years, building websites very young. That's where I got the name The Prodigy. I was born for this. Anyhow, I started marketing at about 12, 13 years old. I didn't see any success until I was about 17 years old, and I worked my butt off to get where I'm at today. So at about 17 years old, I was still working at McDonald's, struggling, helping my mother pay the bills. Guys, were a couple of payments behind from being on the street, but I was able to generate my first $100 grand online, and ever since then, guys, it's been uphill. I've been a 7-figure earner now the last 4 years, and like I said, I've helped thousands of people succeed in this industry. And with email processing 3.0, the way we're actually able to help you succeed with guaranteed results is not only our support, but what we're offering here is crazy. We have an advanced autopilot software that's going to be driving all the traffic for you. Now, 50% of newbies out there fails because they cannot drive traffic. They don't understand how to market. They get frustrated. They get overwhelmed, and they're just ready to go. They're ready to quit. Well, with
email processing 3.0. With their autopilot software, you're going to be able to generate traffic on a daily basis that's going to guarantee results. And the way we're actually going to be able to guarantee those results is, I understand you're coming into a business, even though all this traffic flow, all these leads are coming in, you don't know how to close that sale yet, because we have to train you to understand the company to be able to explain it to another person. Well, guys, don't worry about it, because we're going to be closing all sales for you. All sales are closed. And I know you asking yourself right now, why would you do that for us? Well, I make 25% commission. So we're making money together. We're making money as a team. And my goal is to make sure everyone out there is successful, to make sure everybody's seeing results. So not only am I making money together with you, but I'm actually helping you succeed. And that is my why. My why is to change the world. My why is to make sure people succeed, to make sure your frown turns upside down and you're smiling and you're stress-free and you're financial free and you're able to do the things you want to do with your family. You're able to go out. You're able to, travel. You're able to pay every bill and take your family out without any problems. And that's what I want to make sure is going to be happening for you this year. I don't want you to sit there 10 years from now and say, I wish I've done this. Why didn't I do it? Look at me now. I'm still broke. Take that simple 250 or 150 pro or advanced level, whichever you decide, and invest. You have to invest in yourself to make money. You have to spend money to make money. Now, like I said, guys, if you don't invest, you're going to be thinking, it's going to come down the road and you're going to be like, I wish I had invested in this man. I wish I had invested in myself. I wish. Put that I wish away and put it into action today. Pick up your cell phone. Call me at 239-362-6591. Come on my website at godslifequotes.com, which is also in the description below the video. And let's get you moving. Let's get you seeing results. 24 hours. Give me 24 hours and I'm going to make sure you're seeing sales. Give me 48 hours and I'm going to make sure you're in profit. Guys, follow my lead. God has given me the gifts to be able to bless the world, and that's what I want to do. So I'll be waiting for you to contact me today. Once again, that phone number is 239-362-6591. Everyone out there, may God be in your hearts. May you have a blessed day. May God bless you. Until my next video, everyone out there, I'll talk to you soon.